Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going up Mount Gabriel, which is just outside Schull in West Cork in Ireland. Gabriel overlooks Roaring Water Bay on one side, a lot of islands like Cape Clear and stuff, and then on the other side you can see the Beara Peninsula, which is possibly the best motorcycle run you can do in Ireland. On a clear day you can see fantastic views of all the different peninsulas around. Some of the bends are quite tight. It's good fun on a motorbike, not so much fun in the car. Coming down is a little more tricky, but the scenery is better coming down, so it'll be interesting to see how the drone gets on. I haven't flown it since I glued it back together, which is another story. And taking up the side of a mountain mightn't be the best place to test it, but sure, look, we'll see what happens. It's just one of those parts of the world that you never ever tire of seeing, visiting. Every day it seems a little bit different, just because it's on the coast. The sea can be different, the sky can be different, just the way the water behaves is different. So what you have here is two radars for the Aviation Authority of Ireland control them. In 1982 there was a newspaper article which said they were providing information to NATO, a terrorist organisation called the INLA. Decided as a neutral country we shouldn't be doing that. They blew one of them up. The newspaper article was incorrect. They weren't providing information to NATO, but anyway, they've rebuilt them since. There's been no further attacks in the last 40 years, not even a drop of graffiti. When you get here, you can walk up to the highest point. Alright. So you Schull village below. Cape Clear, you have the Fastnet Lighthouse. You have the second radar, you have the Beara Peninsula, you have the Dingle Peninsula. So it's a pretty amazing spot. And it's just every direction. There's somewhere cool to go on the bike. So yeah, very privileged to have spent my youth in this part of the world. Alright. It's not a very long trip up to the top, but it's pretty spectacular. There's some guys working here who don't seem to be too interested in me anyways, which is cool. How's it going? So, probably not going to pick up just how steep this is. It's quite a descent. It's okay on a bike actually. I've done it in a car as well many years ago, and it's a little more intense. Okay guys, that was fun. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Try to post weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.